and strength. Plato used the story of Atlantis as a way to highlight how great Athens was compared to this corrupt city. So, if Atlantis were found today and was still inhabited, its people might not be so friendly and could even be quite dangerous. Plato told the story of Atlantis around 360 BC. The granddaughter The founders of Atlantis, he said, were half god and half human. They created a utopian civilization and became a great naval power. Their home was made up of concentric islands separated by wide moats and linked by a canal that penetrated to the center. The lush islands contained gold, silver, and other precious metals and supported an abundance of rare, exotic wildlife. There was a great capital city on the central island. Over time, Atlantis became very powerful but lost its moral compass. The Atlanteans expanded their empire, conquering parts of Africa up to Egypt and parts of Europe, including what is now Italy. They were eventually pushed back by a coalition led by Athens. According to Plato, the gods were displeased with Atlantis' behavior and punished it with earthquakes and floods, causing the island to sink into the ocean and disappear, becoming a legend lost to time. For a long time, people have debated whether Atlantis was a real place or just a story Plato used to illustrate a point. In the 1800s, interest in Atlantis revived, and many researchers began connecting it to real locations. One popular theory links Atlantis to the island of Santorini, which was devastated by a massive volcanic eruption around 1600 BC. This has led some to wonder if Plato's Atlantis might have been inspired by the Santorini disaster. Recently, Spanish researchers believe they might have found the inspiration for Plato's Atlantis. They discovered a series of submerged islands near the Canary Islands, which they named Los Atlantes. These sunken lands existed millions of years ago, located east of Lanzarote, one of the Canary Islands. Luis Somoza, a marine geologist, suggests that these submerged islands might be the real-life basis for the Atlantis myth. The researchers used an unmanned submarine to explore the area, finding vibrant underwater life and ancient volcanic features. The seamount, or underwater mountain, where these islands are located, is about 31 miles wide and 1.4 miles below the ocean surface. The islands likely sank when volcanic activity ceased, causing the lava to cool and become denser. While some believe Atlantis might be fictional, others think it could be linked to real places like the Bermuda Triangle, known for mysterious disappearances of ships and planes, or even a town in Germany lost to a storm in 1362. Another intriguing site is the Bimini Road, an underwater formation west of the Bahamian island of Bimini. This site features rectangular limestone blocks that some believe might be part of an ancient road or wall, possibly leading to Atlantis. The Bimini Road was discovered in September 1968 by divers Joseph Manson Valentine, Robert Angove, and Jacques Maillot. They found what looked like a paved path of stones underwater, stretching about 460 meters and ending in a curve. The large rectangular blocks appear to be carefully shaped, which has led some to think they might be man-made. Some researchers think the Bimini Road is